Chris with Dentless Touch. We're going to do this dent right here on a Toyota RAV4. Take a look. Has a decent eyebrow and obviously affects the contour line, but we're going to go ahead and repair this. Alright, so for the next clip, I'm going to try to blend down the crown as I'm kind of looking through the camera, so don't beat me up too bad if I don't strike 100% where I need to. So let me show you guys. Now, I was using this tip to push, and if you can see in the video, I'm pretty much done at this blunt tip. I need to at least go with something a little sharper. I don't want to go metal against metal. I'm going to just wrap it with a little bit of tape and then proceed. So here's the test of tape that I use. I get asked all the time what type of tape do I use in the videos. You can get it from a lot of PDR companies. I believe Edgy Tools sells them. And a few other companies, but anyway, it's a Mercedes-Benz part number. There it is right there if you can see it. Hopefully it focuses on it. There you guys go. But I just get it from the Mercedes-Benz dealership. I will tell you that it is a little cheaper getting it from a PDR company, and I think it's because they buy it in bulk. So you're not really saving any more money from going to the dealership. So if you're gonna already order something from any one of those companies, I recommend just go ahead and just put an order in of test tape. You're not gonna save yourself any money. There is some tape online, and I've bought it, and it's not the same. So just either stick with this part number, which is the new Mercedes-Benz part number, or just buy through like Edgy Tools or A1 Tools or Ultra Tools, whatever. Alright guys, just finished up the repair on the RAV4. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out, guys.